Hello, lovely folks of YouTube. How are you today? This is your host. Am I a host? Yeah, I am hosting you on this channel. So, this is your host Aditya, and I hope audio is clear as anything else. Because look at this. Look at, we worship banana tree, and this is how we treat it. The knowledge on the civic sense, goddamn. Okay, so here's the thing. I am out to shoot a video, and title of the video is Heartbreaks, Learned Lessons, and What. To be honest with you, these are my own personal life lessons which I have learned, especially from year 2023 till 2025. And these are some lessons which I should have learned earlier, like way too, I should have learned these when I was like 12 or 13, but destiny has to run its course, right? So whatever happens at its own time, at its own pace, and I'm not supposed to force anything, right? So here's the thing. I'll be talking about my three most life lessons, the most important life lessons which I have learned. My chain needs some adjustment here. Okay, so I'll be talking about my life lessons. Okay, lesson number one, which is very crucial, that is, we need to build discipline. I appeared for an examination. It is one of the toughest examinations, and I failed it. I failed it twice. Not twice, no. I failed it thrice. Why? Because I was not disciplined. I would only study before when there is only like just 1 month is left when it is to the examination, and that is what led me to that failure. I, to be honest with you, was never like exceptional at studies, but I was not very bad at studies also. Like, I was okay. And I have noticed that if I put a little effort, just a little, like 5%, suppose if I have a potential of 100, and if I put effort up to like 5 units, I do good, I perform well. So I really realized that I need to build self-discipline, which I always lacked. If you scroll through this Instagram profile or YouTube, whatever you want to see, especially on Instagram, I have this page called Biker's Diary. So I was very consistent with that, and my views were slowly growing and growing. My page was also getting recommended, but then I broke the streak. Why? I don't know. Was there anything wrong? No. But why did I quit it? I just have no idea. I just stopped making content all of a sudden. I mean, I lost my mic here, but it was not unsolvable. It was a very solvable problem, and but I just didn't work on it. So lesson number one is we need to build self-discipline. And how I built it is also another interesting story. So here's the thing. I had some injuries, right? So in order to heal with that injuries now, I was not moving much, so I gained weight. And I'm somebody, if he doesn't watch his diet now or things, I gain weight pretty quickly. I lose it also, but I also gain it very quickly, like in span of what are you doing, idiot? These idiots, man, these idiots. I'll honk shit out of you, man. I'll honk shit out of you. Idiot. Okay, so I needed to build self-discipline, right? And I gained weight. I gained some good weight. Like I think I was 7 8 kg, or I think 7 8 or 10 kgs more than how much I'm supposed to be. And I was looking. I was not doing the best I could have done in that time period, right? Because again, I had some injury and all, and some other things also went down, which we would talk about later. Look at them. अभी भी नहीं सुधरेगा भाई, अभी भी नहीं सुधरेगा. ऑफ कोर्स फोन ही तो ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. जान का क्या है, जान तो फिर आ जाएगी. My God, the traffic over there, man. And look at them, like they're buzzing through, zooming through, like they are on their own side. Wow, man. Have I committed a... Oh man, no man. Please, I will turn around just...
Can I start?
Wait a minute.
Okay, there is one more thing. I really have this habit of trying to do something better when something bad happened, so I can alter memory of that day. What I did was that on 7th April something bad happened in my life. Like we when I'll talk about it when I'm comfortable about it, but yeah, something shitty happened, and I decided. Achha, before that, almost 6 months I was just sulking. I was just sulking and nothing else, man, and nothing else. Let me take a U-turn, dude. I was out here to take a ride, not to get stuck in a traffic jam. Hey man, don't... Okay, so almost for like 6 to 8 months I was sulking, and I have sulked hard, man. I have sulked hard, like neither going out nor doing anything else, and stalking some people, stalking my special people. Okay, so I was sulking and I was stalking my special people. They were having some good time. Then there comes this date of 7th April, and I'm like, okay, this is it. This has to end now. And funny thing is, I took a challenge, and I took a challenge of walking 5 kilometers daily for next 30 days. I started that challenge on 7th April. And I did 150 kilometers in 30 days. That is where I realized that if I set an accountability partner, which was Instagram, in my case that is, if I set an accountability partner, I can do things, and I can do things well. So I did 150 kilometers, then I took another fitness challenge. I started to skip again, like jump rope. That is, jumping rope and walking are my two favorite workouts. And I broke. Okay, let me be brief about it. I broke my hand, so I couldn't do much in that period, and so I started that. I completed that. I took another challenge. I also completed that. And since then, the life has been, a series of 30 days challenge, except for a few things which I still can't get over. And those are things which are, I think, should stay with me. But these are not like, ouch, bad habits. Oh man, look at that. What? We are at the moon. Not at the man, on the moon. We are on the moon. Okay. So what really happened over there is that I took that challenge, I completed that, and there I got some confidence that yes, I can do other things also. Since then I have done many other things, but this was one story where I realized that I can be disciplined also. All I have to do is to take small actionable steps, small, and I just have to do enough, which are how much I can do, and then I have to slowly, increase that circle where I can push myself to do better and better and better. Right. Second thing is,